Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because as you can tell by the title, we're going over a few different Amazon travel must-haves that will keep you organized for your entire trip. Because you know what? An organized trip is a good trip and a stress-free trip. So let's get into it. So the first travel must-have that I have for you guys is this jewelry box. It's smaller than your average jewelry box, which makes it perfect for traveling, but it still stores so much without taking up too much space in your bag or suitcase or whatever you're bringing it in. It has 3 hooks at the top that you could use to loop your necklaces around, and then the ends of the necklaces just drop right into this elastic compartment. It has 4 slots for earrings and then several different slots for rings or studs that you may be bringing. And in my opinion, it's literally the perfect jewelry travel container. The next must-have that I have for you guys are these packing cubes. If you are to get anything that I talk about in this video, get the packing cubes because literally they're gonna change your life. So you know how whenever you go somewhere and go on a trip and you're like digging around for 10-20 minutes trying to find, you know, the certain pair of pants you wanted to wear, the t-shirt you wanted to wear. Well, basically these packing cubes do all the organization for you, so you know exactly where everything is without having to take out everything in your suitcase to find one thing. So this particular set comes with the 2 medium-sized cubes, 1 small cube, and then 1 large cube. If you are going on a longer trip or you are an overpacker, I would say get 2 sets of these, but if you just typically go on like quick 2-day, 3-day, 4-day trips, this is all you're gonna need. The key to fitting the most stuff in these is to roll your clothes, don't fold your clothes because it takes up less space. I like to use these for certain days, like I'll put Monday and Tuesday's outfit in one, Wednesday and Thursday's outfit in one, and maybe like you're going home outfit in another, and then undergarments in another. That way everything is where it needs to be. If you don't plan your outfits ahead of time, I would do like your shirts in one, your pants in one, your undergarments in one. That way everything is just in its designated place and you know exactly where to find it. And these packing cubes are literally the key to an organized suitcase that stays organized your entire trip and things won't get jumbled up. If you are someone who likes to bring tote bag as like a carry-on or just to use throughout your trip, you would need this bag organizer. So basically this thing just slips right into your tote bag. It comes with 1 main compartment, 3 compartments on the side, 3 small compartments on one side, 2 small compartments on the other, and then a larger flap on the outside of one side, and then 2 medium-sized flaps on the other side. And then this is also an insertable one. You may or may not need it depending on how much stuff you have, but you can insert this one right in if you need even more space in your bag. We all know that totes can become black holes of just stuff really fast if you're not careful. So basically this is just gonna keep your entire tote organized and keep everything in its place so that way you can reach in and grab what you need when you need it. This particular organizer comes in many different sizes depending on the size of tote you have. I think there's small, medium, large, slender I think, and then extra large, and it's just the perfect addition to any size tote bag. When you're running through an airport, the last thing you're gonna want to do is hold extra cups to take up hand space when you already have probably so many bags you need to carry. So this handy dandy thing clips right over your suitcase handlebar and comes with 2 cup slots so that way you don't have to hold your cups. So basically it just velcros right over the handle of your suitcase or luggage and holds your cups, so you don't have to. Okay, so the next travel must-have, which has to be literally the cutest travel containers I've ever seen in my entire life. They are TSA approved and perfect for liquids if you are traveling by plane. Even if you're going on a road trip and you don't want to take your full bottles of everything you have, these are perfect. They are silicone travel bottles that come in the cutest colors, and they also come in this plastic carrying case to keep them all together so that they don't get lost. They are perfect for all types of liquids, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, whatever you need. And they also come with little labels so that way you know exactly what's in each one of them whenever you are filling them up and are getting ready to use them. And most importantly, they are leak proof. So basically you can twist the top off and the mouth of it is pretty pretty wide, so you shouldn't have any issues with getting the product in there. And the next travel must-have I have for you guys is this luggage strap. So what this is gonna do, well, here's the thing, you can use this 2 different ways. The first way, which is why I bought it, is to strap on extra suitcases on top of one suitcase so you can free up your hands and you don't have to carry as many things. So basically all you have to do is unclip it and then wrap it around both of the suitcases, and then they secure right on each other. The strap is adjustable to fit many different suitcase sizes if you have like larger suitcases or even smaller suitcases. Another use of this product is to use it just to secure your luggage itself, so that way it's not easily open and just keeps everything nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about anything possibly falling out or the zipper coming unloose or whatever the case may be. So this toiletry bag comes in 2 different sizes, small and large, or no, medium and large. I got medium, I think. And it's literally the perfect traveling case for any of your toiletries or makeup. And this container fits full-size products. So if you're going on a road trip, you don't feel like using like the small little dispensers that I did before, you can fit all of your stuff in here, or most of your stuff in here. This is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in any way. And it even has a hook that you can hang over a door or something whenever you get to your hotel room or wherever you're going, to make it super accessible. It just expands like this. So let's go over these compartments. So the top compartment is perfect for smaller items like perfumes, medicines, etc. The 2 medium-sized compartments are where your large essentials are gonna go, like your full-size lotion, body wash, shampoo, conditioner. And the bottom one, which is about the same size, or it is the same size as the top flap, is perfect for your makeup. The next thing I have for you guys is this hands-free phone mount that is perfect for watching movies or TV shows whenever you're traveling, so you don't have to hold your phone. You can clip it on the back of the plane seat in front of you if you're traveling by plane, or you can even clip it on your car seat if you're riding in the back seat of your car. And if you are on a layover on a plane, even clip it on the handle of your luggage so that you can sit and watch a movie without having to hold your phone. This slides all the way out and it can fit, if you have a 12 Max, I have a 12 Max, and it fits it perfectly. And you just pull it out and it adjusts to whatever phone size you may have. Then you use this part to clip it on. This is a 360 rotation, so it can hold your phone any kind of way you need it to hold. It's just the perfect addition to any travel situation. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe for a new video every single Sunday. Bye guys.